A waste of my talents.
What if I must?
The glory of arms!
Yes? Of course.
Go for the eyes, fool! Go for the eyes! Rusk!
Again, as directed. For now.
What? A waste of my talents.
Must rest. Another bad case of armor, Chief.
You are so irritating.
Bacho.
My actions are yours.
Make it quick. Yes? No sooner said than done. What?
What is it now?
Make it quick.
You've
The worthless lives end here. On this side. I'll have to find another group. Again, you disturb me.
What? No sooner said than done.
Beauteous creature, you are my masterpiece.
None cross Greywolf and live.
You are so irritating.
Make it quick.
I don't want to talk.
Nature's servant awaits.
Yes? Don't bother me.
Yes?
What? As directed. For now.
No finer a place to die than the battle.
A waste of my
Beauteous
talents.
creature, you are my masterpiece.
None cross Greywolf and live.
What?
Again, you disturb me. As directed.
Nature
for
for
now.
the group.
I don't. Why
Yes,
me?
as you wish. Don't bother me.
Cool! Gold plate, go for the
Make it
eyes!
cool. No sooner
Go
said than
for
done.
the eyes! Rask!
You are so irritating.
Yes?
Group of squeaky wheels get the kick!
What is it? As directed. For now.
Less gold plate and packing steel.
Again you disturb me. My actions are yours.
Yes, oh omnipresent authority figure.
Go pester someone else. This isn't worth dying over.
Back of my hand.
What?
You've attacked the group.
Have at.
Yes? Aye.
You are as directed. For now.
Back of my hand or the tip of my have at. I need aid soon, lest my hamster become an orphan.
This isn't worth
No
dying
sorrow
over.
for those lost.
Again you disturb me.
What? No sooner said than
Beauteous
done.
creature, you are my masterpiece.
None cross Greywolf and live.
You are, if I must.
Make it quick. A waste of my
Back of
talents.
hand or the tip of
What is it now?
Yeah? No sooner said than done.
Again you disturb me.
back of my hand or the tip. Cool! Squeak!
On this card. I'll have to find you what my actions have yours.
Of course.
Beauteous creature, you are my masterpiece.
None cross Greywolf and live.
Again you disturb me.
What? Of course.
I don't want to talk.
Nature's servant awake. Yes, O omnipresent authority figure.
Cool one, sir. Have it.
Make it of course.
Back of my hand. Back
You
of
are
my
as
hand or the
directed
tip of
for
my-
now.
You boys, gold plate and packing steel.
Yes? No sooner said than done.
Top squeaky wheel gets the kick.
You've at as good as done.
Cool squeaky wheel gets the kick.
Nature as you direct.
Your squeaky wheel gets the kick.
What? Make it quick. A waste of my talents.
No less of it.
Yes, a waste of my talents.
Camaraderie, adventure, and steel
What is
on
it
steel.
now?
The stuff of legend, right, Boo?
What? Make it no sooner said than done. A waste of my talents.
Dealing with criminals jades a man's soul.
Of course.
Stand away, citizen!
No sooner said than done.
Nature serve as you direct.
Welcome to my humble establishment.
Yes, or the
The
group.
business has been poor, what with the iron short. The customer is always right.
What? Of course.
My prices are the best south of Waterdeep. Business has been poor, what with the iron shortage and all.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done. No sooner said than done.
I will show you justice.
It may be a touch unladylike.
No
but
sooner
I'm
said
gonna
than
slit
done.
your throat, I am.
Again, you disturb me.
Yes?
Yes?
For the fallen!
What? No sooner said than done. Make it quick.
I will show you justice.
Yes? No sooner said than done.
I will show you justice. I will show you justice. I will show you justice.
What? A waste of my talents. A waste of my talent. Make it quick.
Never had rats. No, sir.
No sooner said than done. Of course.
Stand away, citizen!
So you want to take a look at me mine, do you?
Stand away, citizen!
You must gather your party before venturing forth.
A waste of my talents.
Oh, I'm so tired. I think I'm coughing up blood.
Camaraderie, adventure, and steel on steel. The stuff of legend, right, Boo?
You must gather your party before venturing forth.
Of course.
Your worthless lives end here. What do you want?
Yes? A waste of my talents.
If I must.
What? A waste of my talents.
So dark down here.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rask!
You've attacked.
What is it now?
Make it coarse. Death to you all!
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Rask! Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes!
Your worthless lives end here.
For the fallen! Nature's servant awaits.
Yes? What? Of course. A waste of my talents. Make it quick. No sooner said than done.
bunch of chumps. What the hell do you think you was doing?
Yes?
Go for the eyes, move! Go for the eyes! Rusk!
What? Of course. Death to you all!
Your worthless lives end here.
For the eyes,
end here.
Go for the eyes! Rusk!
Your worthless lives end here. Again you disturb me.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done.
Sure.
Yes? Of course. What? Of course. Death to you all!
I thought I could think no less of this group with this behavior. Your worthless lives end here.
No sooner said than done.
For the fallen!
Your worthless lives end here.
Evil round every corner. Careful not to step in.
Your worthless lives end here.
I don't know. All right.
Again you disturb me.
What? Make it quick.
Death to you all!
Of course. Yes, of course. What? Make it quick. A waste of my talents. Yes?
gather your party before venturing forth.
No sooner said than done.
You are so irritating.
Go pester someone else.
What? No sooner said than done. Make it quick.
I need...
You point butt kicking for goodness!
Yeah, a waste of my talents. What? No sooner said than done.
Nature's servant awaits.
What is it now?
I don't want to talk. Sure.
What? How'd you get in here? You travel with Minsk, you toe the line. I'll not suffer slackers while I'm busy heroing!
What do you want?
Make it quick.
Yes, O omnipresent
Let's talk
authority
more
figure.
Again you disturb me.
You've a task?
Yes?
Don't bother me.
You are... As directed, for now.
Nature's servant awaits.
What is it now? As directed.
Make it quick.
Again you disturb me.
Yes?
You are so irritating.
Yes?
What?
What is it now?
Make it quick.
Again you disturb me.
Yes? What?
You are so irritating.
Don't bother me.
Make it quick. No sooner said than done.
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes! Run!
What? As directed, for now.
Yes? A
It is
waste of
certain
my
that the
talents.
death of Mullahay will relieve the fears of the terrorized folk of Nashkel. But you remain uneasy.
While the half-orc may indeed have caused the evils that befell the mine, the shortage of iron is too widespread to be his doing alone. His letters confirm your suspicions, and though they give little indication as to where his cohorts are hiding, they may have links to the bandits that currently plague the coastway.
What? Make it quick.
Go pester someone else.
Yes? What? Make it quick. A waste of my talents.
Again, you dissed my actions are yours.
Cool! Butt kicking for goodness!
Yes, of course.
I thank you for my freedom, friends, for I have languished in these dismal vaults too long.
Less talk, more fight!
We're all doomed.
What? A waste of my talents.
Life is so hollow. Our quest is vain.
Make it quick. A waste of my talents.
You must gather your party before
A
venturing
waste
forth.
of my talents.
Onward to futility. We're all doomed. Life is so hollow.
Yes? A waste of my talents.
Our quest is vain.
What? No sooner said than done.
We're all doomed. Life is so hollow. Our quest is vain. It is hardly worth the effort of trying. We delude ourselves to think our pitiable band will stand up to our enemies. Let us save our effort and just lie down and die. I'll do what I can, but expect very little. We're all doomed.
Make it no sooner said than done.
You as directed, for now.
Death to you all! Yes, no sooner...
Worthless lives end here.
You must gather your party before venturing forth.
No sooner said than done. No sooner said than done.
Life well.
Go for the eyes!
As directed.
Go for the eyes!
What? No sooner said than done. Death to you all!
Again you disturb me.
Make it quick. Yes? What? No sooner said than done.
Onward to the world.
Make it a waste of my talents. Death to you all!
You are so irritating.
I'm here now.
Hark if you want.
Yes?
Go for the eyes, Boo! Go for the eyes!
What is it now?
We're all if you want.
What?
Again you actions are yours.
Life is so hollow.
Make it quick.
Our quest is vain.
Yes, of course.
You point, I punch.
What? No sooner said than done.
We're all doomed.
Make it quick.
You were startled out of sleep with a chill, though the night is warm and calm. It is though someone has walked across your grave, and for a moment you wonder if it was you. With this thought, the ground beneath you opens, and you are swept into the dark. When light returns, you do not find its presence comforting. Before you lay the empty mines of Nashkel, cleansed by your previous passage. You move through walls and floors alike, descending deeper and deeper, until a bloated figure comes into view. Mullahay, in no better shape than you left him, stands motionless before you. Held from whatever afterlife calls it, this foul apparition has been waiting for you. A dagger of bone hovers before it, ready for a willing hand to drive it deep. Had this creature breath, you were sure it would be hurling curses. It waits for the kill, a death beyond death, and knows no hope. You turn your back on the blade, and it clatters to the floor. Punishment enough shall find this creature in the land of the dead. You need not inflict any more upon him. Surprised and thankful, the visage of Mullahay hobbles forward and through you, off to whatever fate it deserves. Perhaps for safekeeping, it leaves a part of itself behind. It is a spark of hope that fills a space within you, a dagger-shaped hole you did not know was empty. There is a cry of rage from the depths, and the dagger of bone launches itself through the air. Your heart, its target. You awake just as it should have struck, and the cold sweat that covers you stings your eyes. A disapproving voice lingers in your ears, though it should have disappeared with the dream. You will learn.